Alright, this is for anyone who says we say man too much. Cut it out, man.
Alright, last video, we did the seat. It's looking real nice, man. Today,
Look at that.
putting this carpet action. Something like that.
I wish they had purple, but they didn't.
It's okay. It's gonna look good, man.
Noah had a good idea. We're just gonna hot glue this bitch down and then cut it to shape.
It's gonna be like putting grip tape on a skateboard, man.
Yeah!
Should work out pretty good, I think.
Yeah! Okay, we need to get this bitch over near the electrical outlet. Alright. Got the hot glue gun here. Fucking dusty as shit. Undust this bitch. I think this cloth is even dustier. Oh. Alright, we're gonna plug this bitch in, let it warm up. It's gonna be real nice, man.
Do you have more glue?
Like more sticks?
Yeah.
Probably. Alright, we'll let that warm up. We'll pull this tag off. Velvet Chanel bath rug. Wow.
Not bad. Is it going?
No, not yet. Shit takes a while to heat up, man. Hopefully this thing's big enough to cover it all. I think so. This stuff hardens so quick, man. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this quick enough. Should we go for it?
Yeah, give her.
Alright.
Shit's gonna dry, man.
Shut up, man. You're stressing me out. Okay, grab that side. Gonna need you. Grab that side.
It's real clean, man.
It already hardened.
Fuck.
Okay.
It's probably not hot enough, man.
No, this isn't gonna work. Fuck this helmet, man.
Get the JB weld out, man.
I think your door handle, man. Okay, fuck this glue gun. Fuck all glue guns.
Get the JB weld, man.
No, man. Alright, well that was a goddamn failure. I gotta peel this glue off. Huge bummer. Noah's smart idea wasn't so smart after all. I think we're just gonna have to wing it. Should we wing it or try to make a paper template? I'll get the X-Acto, we'll make a little template. Cause man, it's gotta be FPA spec. That's all we do.
No doubt, hey?
No doubt. Look at that.
Watch it not be wide enough.
No, I'm only gonna do half. Man, I fucking hate this. I'm so over
I
it.
hate working on the scooter every single time.
How the fuck are we gonna do this? Alright. That end's done. This is so dumb, man. I hate everything. Okay. There's half minus that top piece. Because this paper wasn't big enough. They don't make this shit like they used to. I don't know how far we should have come down here. Okay, we'll just know to cut. Let me know we need that extra piece up top. Alright. This is probably a dumb idea, but we're gonna lay down a bit of spray paint so you can see the outline. Flip it. Do the other side. Like so.
Oh man, it worked.
Dude, mechanical engineering. Come on. Huzzah!
Nicely done.
Okay, and then we'll just add a bit to the top. Dude, this is why we're gonna be the first people to live on Mars. This is a terrible time cutting this, man. It's not really into cutting.
It's a struggle, man.
Dude, this is a fucking struggle.
We're out here trying to post 3 days a week, man.
Oliver Twist. What are you talking about?
Talking about struggle.
I thought we were talking about the kid who wants more pork.
I think both things are equally a struggle.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, then we gotta freehand this tip because we ran out of goddamn newspaper.
How you feeling about this, man?
I feel like we're wrecking a perfect good bath mat.
Last cut?
Last cut, man. It's looking real bad. What the fuck, man? This looks like some women's bathing attire, man. What are the chances of this fitting?
Well, that's alright.
Alright, let's go test it out. Do you like my new shirt? I got it at a Ritzio.
Yes, Batch looks great.
Thanks, Batch. Alright, let's see how it fits, man. That looks really good, man. Man, it doesn't look bad.
What do you think?
Looks pretty good. Man, honestly, I don't know if we can post this shit. This is the worst yet, man.
Yeah,
We've
off
done
camera.
some bad shit.
Off camera, dude. This looks so fucking
Dude,
bad.
I don't know what to do. You can't even save it either.
It's not even wide enough.
No, I don't want. Yeah.
Well,
it is. Well,
if you kind of squint, it looks alright.
keep pretending we like it for the video.
Call it that, man?
Oh, what's up? Well, it's not fully connected, but it looks really good. It looks really nice. Wait, it's all about the foot feel.
Take
man.
the shoes off and the socks, man.
I'm not taking my socks off. That's such an effort. Oh man, that feels really good, Noah. Really good. This was a really good, fun project and
Good mods, man.
Yeah. Oh, it actually does feel nice though. Alright, well, okay, so the way we're gonna mount this, I don't want to glue it down because obviously it looks like absolute shit. But I'm gonna get some Velcro. I'll get my mom to sew one of the halves of Velcro onto the bottom of this, and then I'll JB weld the other half down on the deck of this skidoo. Okay, yeah, so we'll glue the other half down to the deck of the skidoo here, and then it'll be removable. So when this thing's sitting outside in the winter, it doesn't get super
Moldy, man.
juicy. Actually, man, it doesn't look terrible.
How's it look from your perspective, man?
Pretty good. Check it out.
We'll see. Oh yeah, that's looking luxury, man.
Yeah, man, if that was attached.
Real nice.
Alright, bitch. You know what to do. Cue those cinematics, man.
Bring up my man, your best. We make the beat.
Alright, well that's that. Another sick scooter mod. Again, comment below if there's anything else you want us to do to it, or any other videos, video ideas you have in general.
Yeah, we've been working hard, man.
We've been pumping out videos.
It's getting hard. We're struggling.
This video you're seeing right now, we filmed like a month ago, because we've just been stacking up videos before school starts. We're big college guys.
I think our ideas have come to an end for now, though.
Shut up, man.
So if you want to see anything
Fix
else,
your attitude, man.
you know what? Comment down below videos you want to see, okay?
Yeah, comment down below, unless you're a hoe. Actually, comment down below if you're a hoe too. We don't discriminate.
Yeah, but
Sorry.
dude, fuck that shit. Anyways.
Yeah. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, buy our merchandise in the description. Oh, dude, that cracked my back. See you in the next one. Man, this is now the fucking Bentley of scooters. See if this thing starts. Haven't started in like a long ass time. Come on, man. Took a minute. Alright. I'll take off the shoes. This is goddamn Bentley here. Oh fuck. Man, it was so comfy on my feet.
Is it nice?
I feel like getting a foot massage, man.
Not bad.
But better, because it's not awkward.
It's looking good, man.
It is. The seat's also super nice. Sure your dome on that?
I love my head, yeah.
The seat's super nice. It actually came out so well. But yeah, we'll attach that carpet I'll get attached. Holy shit, look at this crack. Ooh, no way. That's fucking coming apart.
A little bit of wear and tear is not gonna kill you.
Literal tear in the asshole of this thing. It's alright.
It looks really good though, I think.
Yeah.
Came along in the end.
Yeah. Yeah, man.